Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the kitchen. Today we are going to make Italian basil pesto. And we have our beautiful basil right here. Now this I got in the grocery store, but we are going to also harvest some of our basil right off of our window garden plant, which we started in September, and it is now January, the end of January. So we've got a whole bunch of basil inside here amongst the marigolds and the tomatoes. And we're gonna get that. We're also gonna use pine nuts, extra virgin olive oil, Parmesan, and a garlic clove. So let's get all of our mise en place together and we'll start making it. I turned our window box around so I could get it, and look how crazy this plant is. We've got little cherry tomatoes coming out on here. I got some plum tomatoes hiding over there. And of course we've got all our marigolds, which we're drying out. We're gonna make some tea with it eventually. And then of course our basil is hiding in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut down some basil. We lucked out and we had 2 cups of our fresh basil leaves, so we don't even need to use any of these. I'm gonna keep these for another recipe. And here are our pine nuts. A half a cup is 2.25 ounces, and the half cup of Parmesan cheese is 1.50 ounces. Here is our olive oil ready. And for our 1 garlic clove, I smashed it with the back of my knife, and that helps release the juices. What we're gonna do though first is we need to blanch our basil leaves. So we're gonna put that into boiling water, blanch it for like 5 seconds, and then put it into an ice bath, and that will help keep that green color when we're making our pesto. Our water is boiling away. Here are our leaves. We're gonna just plop them in and literally for 5 seconds blanch those leaves and then get them out right away and put them into a water bath. So let's just submerge them, okay? And then get them out. We spread these out on a sheet pan. We're gonna toast them in a 300-degree oven until they are light golden brown. Here they are, I just got them out of the oven. That was 8 minutes at 300. You can see they're nice and golden brown, and we don't wanna let them stay any longer. They tend to burn easily, and these nuts are so expensive, you do not want to burn them. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to get our ingredients into our food processor. I've got the garlic in there already. We'll get everything else in there and we're gonna pulse it, and then we will drizzle in our olive oil. We got everything in our food processor, and let's pulse it a couple times, then we'll drizzle in the olive oil. Now before I start adding in the olive oil, I just wanna scrape down the sides. And then we'll drizzle it. Here's our finished beautiful pesto, and I'm gonna take this out, put it in a container, and then we can serve this over some angel hair pasta. There we go, our beautiful pesto. And since we're not gonna use it right now, but we wanna store it in the fridge, I'm just pouring a drizzle of olive oil over the top, and that'll help keep it okay in the refrigerator for a couple days. Here's our beautiful basil pesto with our fresh basil from our window box plant. And I have some angel hair pasta, and we're just gonna put a nice big dollop of pesto right in the middle. And it smells wonderful. And then sprinkle it with a little bit of freshly shredded Parmesan. It looks beautiful. And then of course, we're gonna garnish it with a beautiful sprig of basil. Here we go, nice little garnish. And doesn't that look beautiful? So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and we'll make your own basil pesto at home and enjoy it. Take care, everybody. Bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.